At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. A personal hygiene checklist is a helpful guide that goes beyond basic cleanliness, emphasizing the importance of hygiene for physical, mental, and social well-being. Covering everything from oral care and sleep hygiene to intimate care and menstrual hygiene, this checklist encourages a holistic approach to staying clean and healthy. It fosters self-discipline and empowers people to make informed choices about their well-being. Parents, teachers, and healthcare providers can use this checklist to teach hygiene to children and young adults, helping them build lifelong healthy habits. For healthcare practitioners and caregivers, it's a valuable tool for guiding patients and ensuring the well-being of those in their care. It is important to maintain good hygiene to avoid spreading infectious diseases and to prevent contracting them. Good hygiene practices can prevent COVID-19, respiratory infections like cold and flu, staph infections, threadworms, tooth decay, and more. Emphasize to your clients the importance of following good personal hygiene practices to help prevent body odor and skin irritation. The basic practices include the following: wash the body, wash the genitals, wash hands before eating food, minimize body odor. When preparing food, handle it safely and with caution, brush teeth to reduce bad breath, shower regularly with soap and other bath products, get a good night's sleep, trim nails, wear clean clothes and wash them regularly, keep a clean surrounding environment. This daily hygiene checklist contributes to a cleaner, healthier and more hygienic world by raising awareness about significance of hygiene practices. Using the personal hygiene checklist is simple and effective. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of how it works. The digital hygiene checklist is organized into categories for easy reference and is available in a downloadable PDF format. You can download it through the link in the description or sign up for free to our Carepatron app where you can use the template in app. Advise your clients that the checklist is customizable. They can add or remove specific items based on their needs and preferences. Whether they use it for themselves, guide their children's hygiene routines, or care for someone else, the checklist can be adapted to fit their unique situation. The checklist can also be customized to meet specific hygiene guidelines. Instruct your clients to mark a check next to each completed hygiene practice. This simple check-off system will help them track their progress and identify areas for improvement. Emphasize the importance of regular use of the personal hygiene checklist. By consistently following the checklist, your clients can develop and maintain healthy hygiene habits. Here is a sample of our personal hygiene checklist to give you an idea of how you would use it in your practice. To discover more of our free templates, explore our templates library, which you can find on our Carepatron website linked in the description below. Carepatron is a practice management software known for its comprehensive features. Signing up is free. Just click on the sign up link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like and subscribe button for more content like this.